Hello, painting peeps, and welcome. It's Kathleen from COZ Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone, guys. Happy you joined me here. I am back at it again. I like this stuff, and I'm going to try it again to make sure that I really do like it, but I have a feeling that I do. Now, this is the perfect pouring medium for me with pretty much everything but my swipes. Now, I can use it with my swipes, but I am so used to my regular pouring medium, which is 50% Floetrol, 50% Golden Gloss pouring medium, which used to be Golden GAC 800, and I just got it down to the perfect consistency. But you can add water to the mix, but I had such a good time with this yesterday, and I have some leftover paints, and the UPS man brought me my Blick Premier canvases that were on sale today, so I had to scurry on down here. I want to show you yesterday's painting. I love it. It's got a beautiful sheen. It's about 80% dry. I won't touch it or mess with it for about a week or two. I usually let my paintings dry for about 14 days. So let me grab it for you so you can take a look. This is pretty. I love this. It's got a glorious sheen to it. I don't know if you can see it. I can't wait to put it in a chocolate brown or walnut floating frame, but look at the details in the cloud. It's just so shimmery that I wanted to try it again. Let me go put it down because I don't want anything to happen to it. So I had some leftover paints, and what I do is I keep my leftover paints in these little guys right here, and I put them on a little Lazy Susan I have, and whenever I come down here to paint, I kind of spin that Lazy Susan around to take a look at what I've got to use up so it doesn't sit too long, because I find if it sits a long time, I kind of just ignore it. So I wanted to use up those paints, doing a similar pour but leaving a lot more negative space with one or two different colors as well as a different base coat. Well, let's first talk about our canvases. This is a yummy canvas and a nice size. I paint a lot on a 10 by 20, but this is a 10 by 30. I love the orientation of this going either vertical or horizontal. These are on sale at Blick's. This is Blick's Premier Stretch Canvas, a 10 by 30, and I am digging on these canvases, guys. I grabbed some when I was down in their store in Savannah, and I love the teeth. It's just got some good teeth on it. So we're going to give this baby a go today. Our base coat today is going to be Rust-Oleum Metallic Accents, and this is the last of my metallic champagne. Now you're going to see me pour it out of this container because I didn't have any empty containers large enough to pour, to mix up my base coat in. So I add my pouring medium and a little bit of water to this. We've got about 1 part paint, 3 parts pouring medium, and a few squeezes of water to get it down to the consistency that you want. And it's kind of, when it rolls off the popsicle stick, it leaves quite a bit of a trace. So it's a little bit thicker than what I'm used to, but I find that my cloud pours tend to hold their shape a lot better when the paints are a little bit thicker. So base coat, Rust-Oleum. Nice paint. It looks like satin sheets when it goes down, and I'm going to try to leave a good amount of that negative space. Our colors today, DecoArt, Satin Enamel, and this is the neutral beige. I love it instead of the white, especially with these earth tones that we're using. It just fits right in with the rest of these colors. So our next color is kind of fun. It is Color Shift, and this is called the Black Flash. Now you might not be able to see it, but it's black, but it has like a goldiness to it that is really quite nice. So I'm using this today instead of my carbon black. We've also got Sargents Art Acrylic Metallics, and this is the Aztec Gold. I like these paints, guys. They've got really good pigment and they're not super expensive. So give them a try if you're digging on those colors. Our next color is Golden Iridescent Copper. And our next color right here, this creamy, yummy goodness right here, is a combination of Sargents Art Metallics, and this is the Antique Gold. And I mixed in with it a couple of drops of the Iridescent Bronze until it made me smile. And then I wanted a little bit more of a chocolatiness to it, so I added a little bit of the DecoArt Rich Expresso. So it got to the color that made me smile. Isn't that pretty? Nice and creamy. Our final color today right here is Golden Fluid Acrylics, and this is the Burnt Sienna. So we are getting our earth tones on again. All my paints are mixed with the mixed pouring medium, including the base coat. So let's get rocking and rolling, guys. I'm excited. So wish me luck on this. Gonna try to leave a lot of negative space and put some tunes on for you, put some tunes on for me, and we're gonna get busy.
You're so great, standing, talking. You got me checkmate. No one's watching or nothing. I have cleared out the room, also that you can get to be the big spoon. Cuddle me blue. Take me to the edges of you. Every little inch of my skin, baby, I will let you in. Call me up in a minute. Call me up, set me straight. Pickpocket my eye socket. There's no time to be prude. I let you kidnap my tongue in. I let you measure my waist and intense fire will take us higher than higher. Cuddle me blue. Take me to the edges of you. Every little inch of my skin, baby, I will let you in. Can you feel the 779? Tell me you do. Baby, I can wait, begin.
Thank you.